Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Chris and today I'm going to be answering some of the most commonly asked questions about this guy, the DJI Neo. Now I don't want to waste any of your time, so let's just get straight into the questions. So first of all, probably the most commonly asked question about the Neo, and that is how far can it fly on a single charge of battery, i.e. what's its overall range?
The official DJI website says 7 kilometers. I'm not sure if that's actually true, so let's test it.
Okay. Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
All right, there we go. So we managed to get to just about 1,500 meters, so 1.5 kilometers. Still not bad.
Okay, so we know how far the Neo can fly, but how long can it fly for on a single battery?
I get about 10 minutes realistically in sports mode, maybe a bit more than that in normal mode, but let's face it, you're going to be flying in sports mode most of the time, aren't you?
Next up, another really common question, which is can you fly in FPV using the RC or the RCN3 controllers?
No. You can only fly in FPV with the motion controller or the FPV3 remote, sorry.
Okay, Neo stuff aside for just a second, I know there's a question that you are absolutely dying to know the answer to, and that is, of course, how can you see more of my content?
Geese. There's a little subscribe button underneath the video. Click that, also the bell icon next to it, and you'll be notified of my future videos. Easy.
Okay, something else I see loads of discussion about is whether or not you can fly the Neo over water. DJI themselves say you shouldn't do it, but can you do it?
You can do, yeah. I was going to say it was fine to fly over water because I've done it quite a few times, but that just went very, very sideways and almost lost control over water. So maybe you shouldn't fly over water.
Okay, so you may be aware that you can fly the Neo using just your mobile phone without using any kind of controller. Some people say that's a little bit risky. Is it really?
Not really. Doing it right now. I haven't ever had any troubles with it, although I have heard some people talk about flyaways being a little bit more common when you're using the mobile app. Also, it's only got a 50-meter range, which isn't really very far. Still pretty cool.
Can the Neo follow you?
Yeah.
Alright, really important one here. How fast can the Neo fly?
About 6 meters a second or 13 miles an hour in normal mode, about 8 meters a second or 18 miles an hour in sports mode, and up to 35 miles an hour in manual mode, which is pretty quick really.
Low battery. Return to home promptly.
Up for the prawn. Ah! No! Oh shit! Oh, you... Oh, I hurt my back.
You may have heard about flying the Neo in FPV in manual mode, which means that you can use the FPV3 remote to have fine control over every aspect of the drone's flight. A lot of people say that it's really, really difficult to pick up. Is it actually?
Nah.
Oh no, watch it!
Oh, okay.
No. Gosh. I feel mean laughing.
Not really.
Okay, very importantly, is the Neo sturdy and durable?
It's pretty sturdy, yeah.
And finally, what other cool features does the Neo have?
It's got a bunch of these cool little automatic flight modes that you can just set off without having a control attached at all, like this one.
2 meters. Circle. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, that's all for today's video. I really hope you found it helpful. If you did, please do consider dropping a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to make sure you're notified about my future videos. And please do drop me a comment. Let me know what you thought of this video. And of course, call me out if I got anything wrong, which I almost certainly did. All right, that's all for now. Bye.